Jai Sriman Narayana. Rama saying that, "Oh Lakshmana, now let us immediately go to Abhigacchamahe Sighram Sarabhangam Tapodhanam." Let us go to Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. Like that, they both, three of them, Muditau Mahavane, getting into big forest. They are all, three of them are feeling happy. Rama has taken Sitamma very close to him, gave her a big hug, because until then she was getting so much scared. To get rid all that fear from her, Rama giving a big hug to Sitamma and consoling Sitamma. And from there, they all again started going towards Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. Rama is saying that, Lakshmana, let us not stay here for any more longer, because this forest looks very dense and very fearful forest. So it is not good for us to stay here any more longer. That is why let us now go to Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. Rama said, and three of them started walking towards Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, they are heading towards Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. As and how Viradha said, Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam is very close by. Deva Prabhavasya, the one who is an equivalent to Devatas in his own glory, that Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam is now Rama is looking at. Tapasa Bhavitatmanam, with all the tapasya that Sarabhanga Mahamuni has done, he has got Parabrahma Sakshatkaram. He realized Parabrahma. Such great Sarabhanga Mahamuni's ashram is very close by. Now Rama is looking at that ashramam. Rama found one thing. Rama noticed one thing very close by Sarabhanga Mahamuni ashramam. That is Surya Vaisvanaropamam. Just like sun, just like fire. It is glowing like anything, that particular object. That is Devendra's chariot. Just Rama is now along with Sitamma and Lakshmana going more and more close to ashramam. Then, just by then, Devendra came down to Sarabhanga Mahamuni ashramam. Devendra's chariot just stopped. It is stopped in the sky itself. Along with all the Devatas, Devendra now heading towards Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. Asamsprusantam Vasudham. They are not touching the earth at all. Even before touching the earth, they are walking in the space itself towards Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam. And Rama is looking at chariot, looking at Devendra. Devendra is being served by so many servants and Gandharvas, Amara, Siddhascha, Bahavaha, Paramarshayah, Gandharvas, Devatas, Siddhas, Maharshis, everybody praising Devata. In that kind of great glory, Devendra now is entering into Sarabhanga Mahamuni Ashramam and went inside, started having a conversation with Sarabhanga Mahamuni. All this is Rama is looking at and now saying to Lakshmana, "Oh Lakshmana, look at Devendra's chariot. All these days, we have several times heard about Devendra's glory, Devendra's how great comforts and pleasures he has. Now we are looking at, now we can see his all kind of glory. The chariot we can see, it is all made up of gold. Lakshmana, look at that chariot. Every corner there are 100 servants, 100 young men. Setam kundalino yuvanaha khadgapanayah. They are all holding swords and they are looking like big tigers. They are all looking like just 25 years aged. Panchavimsati varshikam. And drishyante priyadarsanaha. If we start looking at them, we feel like looking at them all the time. To that extent, they are looking very pleasant. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He Raja Rama He Raja Rama He Sita Rama He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.